Now it looks like we're going to be getting a chance to go inside of one of our sound stages here with Soundstage 50, which, well, they were filming a TV episode inside of here a little earlier, and it looks like they've left out quite a bit of their cameras and lighting equipment, but I think it's because they're going to be back later on to finish up this episode. But it looks like as well, just judging by some of the posters and the signs I'm seeing throughout here, I think they're going to be setting this episode in San Francisco. But of course, they can trade no. I promise I will do not the big wall. That soundstage.